Consultation has become the watchword for critical stakeholders of the country's main opposition following its eventful leadership crisis, which has taken a whole new dimension. The dialogue continued at the Abuja residence of the Benue State Governor with the former president of the Nigerian Senate, Bukola Saraki.
Little I know, what is important is there is a determination on PDP to resolve our issues, to be able to unite and focus on the convention ahead. That is what will drive all of us. All those, at the end of it, we are talking politics. At the end of the day, what happens in the country must end up being survived. We are a family, so we will sort it out. So I'll just tell Nigerians to bear it. It's just a matter of days. By the time we finish our neck, you will see all this. At the end of the day, politics is resolved politically, not in the courtroom.
Even the tongue and the teeth, they fight sometimes, but they find a way of resolving issues and settling. So that is what is happening in PDP now. But I tell you, I quote from the Bible, many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord God will deliver them from all. And I think that that is the position of PDP. We have afflictions going on.
The duo expressed optimism that all the issues will be resolved to provide the much-desired alternative come 2023.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.